Okay, this is Go Ask Kit, and of course I'm Kit, and I'm going to bring you something that if you're a Honda Rebel owner and have squatty little short hands like I do, they're fat but they're short, you're going to need some adjustable aftermarket grips, levers, because the stock ones, you have to, with short hands, you have to reach too far. So I ordered this one, RAV86 Speed, it says, on Amazon. And I've seen some other reviewers review others levers on that come from Amazon as high as $38 and higher in price. I want to tell you, I got these for 24 bucks, and I think they're probably the same ones that other people are paying $38 for. So they come in this nice, first they come in a first box, and then the secondary box, nice detailed instructions, and then you have your grips, and this one is, of course, the brake lever. Nice, well finished, really quality. And then we've got our clutch lever, and that's where your clutch cable goes in. Beautiful. With your adjustment lever here that has 6 different adjustments for how near or far away the grip is to your hands, and that's what's going to be beneficial to me. So I'm going to bring the bike around and we're going to attempt to install these. Okay. This is the old original lever, and with my hands, as you can see, I really have to stretch to get to that brake. So there is a standard screwdriver slot up here, and underneath we have a nut, and I'm going to try to loosen it up. Nut. Unscrew this baby. They got pretty wide big screwdriver. That's pretty wide slot there. If you don't have a wide one, you can probably mess with that. Okay. All right. So for the clutch, we got to back this. Okay. Man, that was some finagling. So I had to end up putting this bolt in first in order to pull this clutch cable on. And over on the other side, I had to loosen up the 2 clutch adjusting bolts because the cable would not quite pull far enough to get it back engaged over here. But I finally finagled it, and interesting, there is quite a bit of play in here on both of these. I guess that's just the way it is. I know another YouTube commenter said on his the same thing. There's a lot of play in there. However, it doesn't seem to affect the usage of it. And on the clutch side, I had to leave it at 1. It's a little bit closer than it was before, but not much. And on the brake side, I had to put it at 3 to make it where it should be. So, don't forget, sign up for my channel for more content. Could be anything. as you see, motorcycles, gardens, weed pullers, you name it. So sign up for my channel. Who knows what's next?